students of the DAV-CPS Karnal welcome you to the digital snapshot of the April 1 activities through the DAV-CPS News Bulletin. On 2nd of April, we prayed for the wisdom, success and well-being of every child joining our school. We firmly believe that a journey begins with the positivity and strong traditional values brings a bright and promising future. On 13th of April, DAV-CPS celebrated the vibrant festival of Baisakhi along with the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the architect of our nation's constitution. The celebration was truly magnificent. The energetic Punjabi Bhangra performances and captivating solo acts by the students filled everyone with joy and enthusiasm. Kudos to the entire DAV-CPS community for making the event memorable and grand. Yes, it was really a grand celebration and everyone appreciated the efforts of every student. On 16th of April, the school proudly announced the result of Class 10 CBSE and honored the toppers. Heartiest congratulations to all those who appeared in the examination. The school received 100% remarkable result. On the same day, the school campus has organized a workshop on cyber security and ethical hacking for the students of class 9 and 10 in the school library. The sessions highlight the cyber threat, safe online practices and created awareness among the students through a well-structured and engaging discussion. On 18th of April, DAV-CPS was honored at the National Sustainability Conclave and Award Ceremony. This achievement created immense pride for the DAV-CPS Indri Road Karnal's family. At DAV-CPS, we not only focus on the academics but inspire students to become a responsible citizen towards the nation and towards the environment. Receiving recognition from the Gita University, Panipat, achieving sustainability goal is indeed a prestigious honor and reflected that our efforts appreciated far beyond the walls of our school. On 20th of April, the DAV Centenary School organized an enriching workshop for classes 11th and 12th. The Acharya Pavanji guided the students on how to channel their energy positively and maintain healthy and disciplined lifestyle. The workshop proved to be a highly motivating and impactful for all participants. Acharya Pavanji continues to inspire the thousands of learners through his guidance, motivational and wisdom. On 24th of April, DAV-CPS commemorated on World Book Day with great zeal and enthusiasm. To mark the World Book Day, an exciting spelling competition was organized. The competition enriched students' vocabulary and enhanced their language skills and fostered a deep love for the language and literature. The students of grade 8, 9 to 10 participated wholeheartedly and showcased their enthusiasm. On 25th of April, the class show was presented by the grade 9 and the students expressed their exceptional talent.
So class, I stand before you today to present the class project reflects positivity, creativity and expression.
This refreshing morning reminds us that the guidance and success are not in grade 9 and the students expressed their exceptional talent. Then,
विशाल कब हो जाता
The
है?
classroom was
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। परीक्षा में केवल उस क्वेश्चन उत्तर पूछे जाते हैं जो हमारे पुस्तक से होते हैं। वास्तव में तो परीक्षा में समय भी पाबंद
vibrant dance performance,
Thank you,
and
Manal.
inspiring
Good
speeches.
afternoon, each one of you. So it was a very good show.
On the same day, the Earth Day was enthusiastically celebrated in the campus of DAV CPS on 22nd April. A variety of activities like quizzes, poster making, bag paper making were organized. On 29th of April, an industrial visit to the Amar Uzara Press was organized for the class 11th and 12th commerce. This visit proved to be highly informative and gave students a practical exposure to the functioning of the media industry.